WhatsApp contact settings refer to the various customizable options and preferences that users can configure for their contacts within the WhatsApp messaging platform. These settings allow users to manage how they interact with their contacts, control the visibility of their own information, and customize the way they receive messages and notifications. Here are some common WhatsApp contact settings. Profile picture and status. You can choose who can see your profile picture and status updates. Options typically include everyone, my contacts, and nobody. This determines who has access to your profile information. Read receipts. You can control whether others can see when you've read their messages by enabling or disabling read receipts. If you disable read receipts, you won't be able to see read receipts from others as well. Last seen. You can configure who can see your last seen timestamp. This indicates the last time you were active on WhatsApp. Options usually include everyone, my contacts, and nobody. Block contacts. If you want to prevent a specific contact from sending you messages, you can block them. Blocked contacts won't be able to send you messages, view your profile, or see your status updates. Mute contacts. You can mute specific contacts or group chats to stop receiving notifications from them. This is useful when you want to temporarily silence a chat without leaving the group or blocking the contact. Custom notifications. You can set custom notification tones, vibration patterns, and notification light colors for specific contacts or groups. This helps you identify who's messaging you without looking at your phone. Privacy settings. WhatsApp offers a range of privacy settings that allow you to control who can see your profile information, status updates, and more. You can adjust these settings to suit your preferences. Blocked contacts. You can view a list of contacts you've blocked and manage this list by unblocking them if desired. Group settings. For group chats, you can control who can add you to groups. You can choose between everyone, my contacts, and nobody. Two-step verification. While not directly related to contacts, enabling two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account by requiring a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. These settings may evolve over time as WhatsApp releases updates, so it's a good idea to check the app's settings regularly for any changes or new options. To access these settings, open WhatsApp, go to the Settings or Options menu, and navigate to the Account or Privacy sections. Keep in mind that the exact naming and organization of settings may vary slightly depending on the version of WhatsApp you are using.